So you're moving to Tulsa, Oklahoma, and you want to know what are the tips that I need to know when it comes time to buying a home? Well, you clicked on the right video because that's exactly what I'm going to go over. It's not clickbait, not trying to sell you Coronas or a pencil. I'm going to tell you about home buying tips when you're moving to the Tulsa, Oklahoma metro area. Let's go ahead and get into it. Number one, assess your financial situation. Assess it. What's a good monthly payment for you? What are you comfortable with right now? Are you comfortable with a little more? Do you need to have a comfort? Do you need to have a little bit less to be more comfortable? What is your financial situation? Do you have money saved up for down payment? Do you have money saved up for closing costs? Do you have money saved up for moving costs? Okay. What is your current financial situation? Now, guys, everything is hard until it's easy. If you're not ready right now, make yourself ready for next year when you can buy it, when you do have down payment saved up, when you do have debt pay down. You move at your own pace. If you put effort into anything, you're going to get results. So assess your financial situation and make the right financial decision for you. Number two, call us. Call us. Let's chat about what you're looking for. Let's chat about what school district you're interested. Let's chat about what you want in the home: 3 beds, 2 beds, 4 beds, 2-car garage, 3-car garage, etc., etc. Call us and chat with us so we can start talking about the different metro areas in Tulsa, Oklahoma that are good for you. Do you want to live in Jinx? Do you want to live in Broken Arrow? Do you want to live in Coweta? Where do you want to live? Do you want to live in Claremore? Where do you want to live? Let's talk about it and let's start that dialogue. And then one of the things you'll also begin doing is researching your mortgage types. Are you a veteran? Are you going to use a VA loan? Are you a Native American? Do you want to use a Native American loan? Are you going to be doing, 20% down on a conventional loan? Do you want to do 3.5% down on an FHA loan? Research the mortgage types that are good for you because that's going to go into step number 4. But right before step number 4, guys, when you're relocating to, move it to, or if you're a seller needing to sell a home in the Tulsa, Oklahoma metro area and all the towns around Tulsa, like I said, Jinx, Broken Arrow, Coweta, give us a call, shoot us, text us an email. The agents that I specifically work with and know and trust and would have my own family work with at eXp Realty, and I want to help you with your real estate needs. If you're a seller, a buyer, or relocating, call us, text us, email us. Let's start that dialogue and let's get you on track for the correct home purchase or home sale that you're desiring. Step number 4 when buying a home in Tulsa, Oklahoma metro area is get pre-approved for your mortgage, guys. You don't go to the grocery store without knowing how much money's in your bank account. You don't go house shopping without knowing what you're approved for. Now, if you're buying $1 million home and you've got cash for it, that's different. That's different. You don't have to worry about the pre-approval process. No worries there, but you do need that letter of funds from your banker. Side note, you do need the letter of funds from your banker so that the sellers know that you have that cash on hand. But if you're using a home loan, we got to talk to the banker. We got to talk to the mortgage loan officer. We got to get that home loan secured so when we go look for homes, we're looking within our acceptable financial price range. Okay. We don't want you to be house broke. We don't want you to be house broke. Number 5, zero in on locations, schools, recreational activities, etc., etc. Commute times. If you work at downtown Tulsa and you only want to drive 20 minutes tops during rush hour, we could draw a little radial map out and put that together for you. If you want to stay inside the Jinx schools, we could put Jinx schools and we only look at those homes for you. That's what we could do, guys. We want to narrow this search down to make it as easy as possible for you because buying a home is stressful. It absolutely is. My wife and I have bought 7 homes, and there's times that it's stressful. I do this daily for other people, and I bought 7 homes myself, so it is stressful. Things come up, okay? We want to make it as easy as possible for you. The more informed you are, the less stressful you are, the easier the purchase is. Absolutely. Item number 6, when you find the one, you want to make a winning offer. You want to make a winning offer. How disheartening would it be to find the one, make an offer, and then come to find out that you lost it for only $5,000? Especially if you're financing. What's $5,000 on a monthly payment? Almost nothing. Verify with your lender your difference in payment, but it's going to come down to almost nothing. Probably a family meal at Taco Bell. Have you seen how expensive family meals at Taco Bell are nowadays? You can't even get a 12 pack of tacos for $20, I think, anymore. How crazy is that? How crazy is that? But make a winning offer. We can use an escalation clause. We can find out what is the best closing date for the seller. We could do a lot to the offer to put it together to set you up to win that deal and not have you spend any more than you want. We can do that, guys. That's why you got to call, text, and email us so we can help you. Number 7, get your inspections done. I don't care what anyone says. Don't waive your inspections. Get them done, guys. Get them done. You need to know what that's going to be. If you've got to get some foundation work, that could easily be $5,000 to $10,000. If you got to get a new heat and air, that could easily be $7,500 to $10,000. Get your inspections done. Know what you're buying. Know what you're buying. The Oklahoma Bar Association, the Oklahoma Real Estate Commission put Clause 7 together, which is super detailed, super amazing, even though some agents try to mess it up. Yeah, weird, but it protects you as a consumer. And it protects the seller too. It makes sure that you get your inspections done in a timely manner. Okay? Don't ever accept some crazy contract that says contingent upon inspections, investigation, reviews. That's what Clause 7 says, and it has timelines. If you see something written on Clause 13, full disclosure, I'm not your broker unless we have a written broker agreement, but read the contract. Words matter. Ask any attorney. Words matter. Okay? Thumbs up. Thumbs up if that's helpful. Get your inspections done. Number 8, also understand that with home ownership comes maintenance, guys. With home ownership comes maintenance. So you're going to want to set aside 1% to 2% of the purchase price of the home, 1% to 2% of the purchase price of the home per year to allocate towards maintenance. Just a simple landscaping job nowadays could cost $1,500. Simple landscaping job. So make sure you set aside money for your maintenance. And then also make sure that all the funds are available, your down payment, closing costs in the correct account to get that cashier's check on closing day or the day before closing day. Get that cashier's check. It would be horrible to have to delay closing because you didn't get the cashier's check. And then come to find out the seller has another offer on the table. It's $10,000 more than yours. They might not even close, guys. That's the seriousness of the matter. Okay. Also have all the utilities set up in your name, and do not open up any new lines of credit during this process. Do not change jobs. Do not get a new car loan. Don't change anything financially when you're going through the home buying process. That could really mess up the end result, and you may not be able to get the home if you open up lines of credit. Lines of credit are like credit cards, financing furniture, financing a lawnmower, etc., etc. Do not do that till you close. And then lastly, guys, enjoy the move. Take your time. Don't get stressed out. If moving is going to stress you out, hire laborers to help you move. If call us, text us, email us, we know people that can help you move. We could hire them as laborers. You have it all boxed up. They put it in the truck. They take it out of the truck, put it in the rooms that you want. Okay. Take your time. Enjoy yourself, especially if you have kiddos. Have them involved in the move. Have them help box up their room and unbox their room. Okay. If you got roommates, make them box up their room and make them unbox their room. Who cares if they don't unbox it? They can live out of boxes. Okay. But take time, enjoy the move. Take breaks, drink lots of water, etc., etc. You don't want to die by moving into your new home. We don't want you to die either. We want you to enjoy your new home. We want to see you at the baseball games, see you at the Jinx Aquarium. We want to see you at the Tulsa Zoo, etc., etc. These are some 10 tips when buying a home in Tulsa, Oklahoma, guys. If you enjoyed today's video and found any value in it, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving the video a big thumbs up, and sharing it with any of your friends that you know are getting ready to sell a home or buy a home in the Tulsa, Oklahoma metro area, and have them give us a call, shoot us, text, send us an email. And you yourself, if you're getting ready to sell a home or buy a home in the Tulsa, Oklahoma metro area, give us a call, shoot us, text, send us an email. We'd love to earn your business when you're moving to, relocated to, or moving within Tulsa, Oklahoma, the Tulsa, Oklahoma metro area. See you guys on the next video.